Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use Control-M scheduler. So in this video, we cannot really access the dashboard directly because we have to contact them in order for us to sign up for an account. So what we're going to do here is just going to discuss the job scheduling workload automation. And then if we still have time, we're also going to discuss some of the products of the BMC. Okay, so here for the job scheduling and workload automation, so Control M delivers the operational excellence for business starting at $29,000 per year. Okay, so here you can drive the business agility and innovation with Control M on premises as or as a service. So deliver applications faster, improve SLAs, and manage behind the scenes data and applications that batch jobs require, and automate application and data workflows, mainframe to cloud. Okay, so here we have the automating workloads is easy. So view, automate, and manage your batch workflows and file transfers from a single view. So deliver self-service automation access via web and mobile interfaces, automate data workflows with native integrations, enable DevOps collaborations with jobs as code, deploy Control M from mainframe to cloud and in hybrid environments, then automate conversions from existing schedulers and homegrown scripts. Okay, so here you can also automate event driven applications and data workflows with speed, flexibility, and reliability. So for the enterprise architect, so accelerate delivery of business services. Delivering business services with multiple automation solutions, scripts, and manual intervention is costly and creates unnecessary risk. But with Control M, you can support business users and IT with a single point of control for all application, data, and infrastructure workflows. Reduce business service risk and remediation caused by removing point products and eliminating manual work. Maintain regulatory compliance by ensuring all users have the appropriate access to application workflows. Okay, so we have here a reference video for that. Right. Now let's proceed to the Director of IT Operation. So deliver better business services, improve staff productivity and business support while elevating business service performance with time-saving features for schedulers, operators, developers, and business users. So with Control M, you can support business needs and operational requirements for new and existing technologies with a single solution, speed time to market by supporting agile development pipelines, reduce downtime risk and cost of business interruptions with automated remediation and predictive runtime tracking, and then provide rule-based secure access anytime, anywhere to all users. Now let's proceed to the other products. So we have here BMC Workflow Orchestration, BMC Mainframe, the BMC Helix Service Management, the BMC Helix Observability, and AIOPS. So let's proceed to the BMS Helix Service Management. So we have Enterprise Service Management. Okay, right here, can free your team from manual workloads, enhance user experiences, and then maximize your outcomes with the agentic AI driven automation and predictive insight. So here you can elevate employee experiences. So we have smart automation, automate request fulfillment, concise answers, and recommendations without human agent involvement, empowered multi channel support. So let employees engage with support through the channel of their choice. AI powered conversations with the BMC Helix GPT. Generate human like conversations to increase employee satisfaction with BMC Helix GPT Employee Navigator. For the fuel productivities, you can maximize your investment with the AI powered analytics and automation to optimize your workflows, track performances, and continuously improve service delivery for measurable business impact. So, first, configure workflows with case templates, accelerate setup with pre built solutions and automation, capture and use collective knowledge. Here, increase collaboration. So, optimize operations and reduce manual workloads with intelligent automation to eliminate bottlenecks and empower your team to focus on strategic, high impact initiatives rather than routine and repetitive tasks. So, collaborative work automation, use cross-functional automated workflows for employee onboarding, create new agentic AI-powered processes to meet individual or business-wide needs with a BMC Helix GPT agent builder. We also have unified case management and knowledge sharing, scalable and transparent analytics. Okay, so here you can dive into the product that power BMC Helix. So we have the BMC Helix ITSM, BMC Helix Business Workflows, BMC Helix Digital Workplace, and the BMC Helix GPT. Okay, now let's proceed to the next product. Okay, so let me just click on the products option and click on the IT service management. Okay, so for the IT service management, so this one is integrated AI driven service management. So you can boost your ITSM with a comprehensive integrated service management solution, augmented by the agentic AI. So here you can deliver better support outcomes for your users, AI agents, integrated intelligence, and then knowledge management, conversational customers assistant. So here you can support any users with intelligent and adaptive AI assistance, improving customer satisfaction and reducing load on support teams. So we also have respond faster and more proactively to issues, and then AI driven incident clustering, better collaboration, and intelligent change risk analysis. So basically, this tool will help your business and teams organize, automate, and keep track of all their important tasks and processes. So instead of doing things manually, it makes sure the jobs run on time, in the right order, and without delays. So this reduces human error, saves time, and gives people confidence that important tasks like reports, data transfers, or system updates will always happen smoothly and consistently. And another big advantage of Control-M is that it gives a clear view of all jobs in one place. So you can easily check what is running and what is completed, or if something fails, so problems can be fixed quickly. It also allows scheduling across different systems and applications, which means teams don't have to jump between multiple tools. In simple terms, Control-M makes work faster, more reliable, and easier to manage. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.